Hello, Mr. John here to help you use the Readers function in your Burlington English app on your phone. First, find the app. Here it is on my phone. And enter your username and password. For this video, we're going to use our dummy account, but you will use your username and password to access the app. Now remember, when we're using the app on our phone, we're going to click on Away from School. Now here on the main screen, you will see again the courses feature here, and the Readers is located here at the bottom of the screen. Now again, I will send you the direct link to the Readers app in your email. But let's go ahead and look at some of the features of the Readers on your phone. So again, we're using the Ghost collection, which is located here in the Intermediates section. And then to begin reading, we click on Enter. Now, when we use the app, again, remember you can use your fingers now to make the screen bigger or smaller. But to access the program to access the story from the app, up here at the top you will see this drop-down menu. And we can scroll through like this. We're going to click on page 2, or page 3, to get to the reader that we are going to, the story that we're going to read, called The Ghosts of Dodson Hall. Now once again, I will send you this link directly in your email, so that will be a little bit easier. Now to read the story, I want to show you a couple of things. First, at the top of the screen, you will see a play button, a stop button, and then you see this little box that says highlight. Let's go ahead and leave the click there. We're going to leave the arrow there for a moment because I'm going to show you how it works. Now, to read the story is very simple. You can just put it here on the screen, and you can zoom in to make the screen bigger or smaller. In fact, I would recommend turning the phone on its side so that you can see the article more clearly, like this. And you can, again, zoom in using your fingers to make the text bigger or smaller. Now, let's go back for just a moment to that highlight feature and the play button. Thanks to the technology here with Burlington English, we can actually listen to the story and we can follow along as we are reading the story. So what we're going to do is we're going to read along for just a moment and notice how the highlight button will highlight the text that it is reading. Let's take a moment and listen to a little bit of the story.
Chapter 1. Dodson Hall. It is 1940, and the Germans are bombing the big cities in England. Sally Brown is 12 years old. She goes with some children from her school to stay in Norwich Village, in the country. It's safe there for the children. Sally is going to stay in.
So as you can see, when you use the highlight button, it will highlight the text as it is reading the story to you. You can turn off that feature by clicking on the box again. And of course, you can always just read the story by yourself. If you use the play feature, it will continue to the next page. But if you want to continue to the next page, you would just click on the buttons, the arrow that you see on the right, to take you to page 5, page 6, and so on. Finally, again, you can always go back to the drop-down menu and choose a different page number if you need to go back and look at a page that you forgot to read or that you want to go back and read again. And again, we will do some activities with the story when we are finished reading the chapters. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching the video, and good luck.